If your fountain is having uneven flow issues like the fountain shown here, follow the following instructions using our included glass prep solution. Make sure your fountain is completely dry before this first step. Apply a small amount of the glass prep to a damp sponge or cloth. Using a circular motion, cover the surface of the glass while paying careful attention to the affected areas. Let the glass prep solution dry for 30 minutes. Rinse the solution off by turning on the fountain, and if there is any noticeable residue left over, gently wipe away using a downward motion. If these instructions were followed correctly, your fountain should now be flowing evenly.